Oppo A92 product inclusions. First is the SIM ejector pin o ang panundot sa ating SIM tray, warranty card, and the manual. And also, hindi mawawala ang ating 18 watts power brick for charging support. A USB Type-C cable. And syempre, hindi magpapahuli si Oppo sa kanyang Oppo earphones with mic. And lastly, for the inclusion is the silicone jelly case. So this phone has 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of internal storage, 1080p Neo display, a 48 megapixel AI quad camera. The phone runs on ColorOS 7.1 on top of Android 10, which is highly customizable and packs a number of Oppo's native apps. So, Oppo A92 features a 6.5-inch FHD plus IPS LCD, and it comes with a bezel-less punch hole display offering a screen-to-body ratio of 83.4%. So, there is a 16 megapixel selfie camera on the front. So, this smartphone offers a quad camera setup consisting of 48 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, a 2 megapixel macro camera, and another 2 megapixel depth camera. And also, supported din ang ating flash. So, ito po ang mga sample shots na kinuha namin sa Oppo A92. Oppo A92 also have an impressive camera features. So, dito makikita mo din ang special feature ng halo effect sa top right side ng camera when switching it to front camera. So, dito sa right side ng ating phone, located ang ating power button with its side-mounted fingerprint. So, as you can see on the left side is the volume button. Sa taas nun ay ang kanyang triple tray with slot with 2 nano SIM cards and 1 micro SD. And sa bottom part naman is dito nakalocate ang ating loudspeaker, main microphone, USB Type-C port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. And also a battery equipped with 18 watts fast charging technology. So, etong cellphone na to is merong 5,000 mAh battery. This phone has also a stunning gaming experience. Oppo A92 din is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 665 chipset and an Octa-core Kyro 260 quad-core processor.
lost the lead. We've taken the lead.
Hello mga ka-uni-k. Ang recent price ng phone na to is 15,990 pesos. Pero ngayon, mabibili mo na lang siya ng halagang 13,990 pesos. Kung nagtataka kayo kung bakit hindi kayo nabibigyan ng notification from uni-k YouTube channel, make sure po na pindutin nyo yung bell button sa gilid and select nyo yung all para lagi kayong updated sa mga latest videos.